I'm Rachel with Ally Safety, and in today's video, we're going to go over how to effectively prevent eye injuries, including how to use an emergency eye wash station. Before we dive into today's content, I'd like to thank our sponsor, Thompson Safety. Thompson Safety is one of the fastest growing full-service safety companies in North America, supplying on-site first aid, fire protection, AED, eye wash, and safety services. Check them out at thompson-safety.com. Now, let's get back to it. Each day in the United States, about 2,000 workers experience a job-related eye injury that's severe enough to require medical treatment. What's even crazier? 90% of those eye injuries could be prevented just by wearing appropriate eye protection. Always choose your eye protection based on the hazards of the job and wear it properly. But if something goes wrong and you still end up with something in your eye, proceed to the nearest eye wash station immediately. Using an eye wash station will help to prevent an injury or decrease the severity of the injury. It could even save your eyesight. Although models vary, the instructions are all basically the same. Here's how to use one. As soon as you notice your eye has been contaminated, go immediately to the nearest eye wash station. Even if it's as simple as a piece of sawdust, flushing your eye immediately can prevent scratches, abrasion, and irritation. Begin the flow of water. Aim the stream of water on your forehead or over your affected eye. Direct the stream on the bridge of your nose if both eyes are affected. Hold the lids of your eyes open and let the water flow over your eyes. Roll your eyes around so the water touches all surfaces and even gets under the eyelids. If you wear contact lenses, wash your hands and remove them carefully during flushing to make sure contaminants aren't getting stuck behind the lens. Don't rub your eyes or try to dislodge objects from the eye, since that can increase scratches. If you are exposed to a chemical, keep flushing your eyes for a full 15 minutes to make sure the pH has been neutralized. This will feel like a very long time, because it is. If needed, seek medical attention as soon as possible. Today, make a mental note of where the eye wash stations are in case you need one. You'll need to remember because your vision will probably be obscured when you actually need to use one. Remember, just by wearing the proper eye protection and using emergency eye wash stations at the first sign of a chemical or substance in your eye, you can drastically reduce your chances of being one of the 2,000 people with an eye injury each day. As always, take care and stay safe.